In our last video, we talked about how to make the assembly, and you can see it's not really that difficult of a process, but now we need to go through and put it onto a piece of paper. So I'm going to go up to File and New, and we're going to choose a standard IDW, which is a drawing file inside of Inventor. It's going to take a second to load up because it's a little different than everything else, and right now it's set to a size D piece of paper. I want on everything on a size A, which is an 8.5 by 11, or standard piece of paper for a printer. So I'm going to right click on Sheet 1, and I'm going to go to Edit Sheet, and I want to change that to a size A piece of paper so everything's on there properly. There's a couple things I want to do with this. The first page is going to have the assembly, and I'll have that, and then I'm going to put the individual parts on everything. So I'm going to go to Base. My assembly's already opened up. It's telling me it's in its front view, and I'm okay with the scale of everything, so I'll hit OK, and then I can go in and create the other pieces that I need to do. So right now I have the front. It will allow me to make the other pieces here in just a second. So I'm going to bring that out, and then if I want to, I can go to Project It, click, and bring out my front, top, right, and isometric, and create those. If I'd like, I can go in and make this shaded. It really gives you lots of options of what you want to do if you so choose. So go into here, make it shaded, hit OK, and now I have a colored piece of my assembly ready to go. I can also go to New Sheet, go to Base, and I can add on other pieces. I don't have any others open right now, so I'm going to go Open, and I want to go in my Maglev area. And I'm going to start off with my foam. I'll open that up, and we'll get everything set and ready to go. But it's really just a matter of going through and creating all of your pieces that you need, and you have them all set up there. So it's really just going through and making all of those, and we're going to talk about what we need to do with this one if you want to make an exact copy here in just a moment. So we're going to go to New Sheet, I'm going to go to Base again, and I really just want to get the foam so I can print it out and I can make an exact copy of it. So instead of a quarter scale, I'm going to make it a 1:1 scale. I'll hit OK, and then what I can do is I can print just this page out, and then I can cut it out, draw it onto the foam block, and I can cut it on the hot wire cutter, which is a really great tool to be able to use. If you have questions on any of this stuff, let me know, but I think this is going to end this video series for the Kelvin Maglev trains. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you later.